Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a look at GoPro Max Lens Mod, a very unique accessory that's compatible with GoPro Hero 10 Black and Hero 9 Black as well. So, this accessory is gonna be perfect for you if you want to have that 360 degrees horizon lock. So no matter how you shake that camera or even turn it upside down, that horizon gonna remain leveled. What's more, it's gonna be great for all sorts of POV shots, as this accessory offers the widest field of view that you can get from a GoPro camera. And thanks to that enormous field of view, you can have even better image stabilization called Max Hypersmooth, which if combined with 360 degrees horizon lock can give you stunning results. Okay, so this is what we have inside of the package, and that's gonna be the Max Lens Mod, a silicone case for storage and protection, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. So let me mount it on the camera so I can show you how it works. So this is how GoPro Max Lens Mod looks like on a GoPro Hero 10 Black. As you can see, I removed the protective lens, which is just a cover, and literally mounted a new lens here. And because it's the ultra-wide angle lens, our GoPro has a much wider field of view of 155 degrees angle. And thanks to that enormous field of view, the camera has extra space to stabilize our footage and keep the horizon perfectly straight with that 360 degrees horizon lock feature. So in other words, no matter how you move that camera, the video gonna remain leveled, even if you turn it upside down or rotate it in a 360 degrees. GoPro Hero 10 and Hero 9 have already horizon leveling feature out of the box, but it can only be used in linear field of view, which has a lot of crop on that image. So it's gonna be good for follow-ups or cinematic shots. However, you lose a lot of that resolution and you zoom in on that footage quite a bit. And with GoPro Max Lens Mod, you can use 360 degrees horizon lock in wide or even max Superview for that immersive first-person view perspective. And you can go even wider than that if you select 4:3 aspect ratio with max Superview. Overall, this new lens offers 155 degrees angle, which is significantly more than a standard GoPro. So this accessory gonna be ideal to mount your camera on your body, helmet, or anywhere else where you can capture yourself because of that ultra-wide angle. It also takes your image stabilization to a whole new level and significantly improves it with Max Hypersmooth, which is almost like a gimbal, if not better. The only drawback is that all that 360 degrees horizon lock and incredible image stabilization can only be achieved in max 2.7K resolution up to 60 frames per second. So you cannot use 4K or 5.3K resolution unless you manually take it off. You are basically limited to either 2.7K resolution or 1080p with this mod. What's more, if you are really into slow motion videos, you cannot use 120 or 240 frames per second with it. you can only choose up to 60 frames per second, which isn't that much for an action camera. What's cool about the Max Lens Mod is that it doesn't matter if your camera is set to horizontal or vertical orientation, because as soon as you lock that camera's orientation with the settings, you can mount your camera however you like. And you can also use that lens for max Timewarp video, and with that horizon lock, wide angle view and improved stabilization, it's gonna make recording time warps much easier than ever before. However, for some reason you cannot record a time-lapse with it, which is a shame, as I wanted to use that wide angle lens for star-lapse. And you cannot also take photos in RAW format, which is very disappointing. I think one of the biggest concerns with that lens that I have is that you have to be extremely careful about not scratching it. If it happens, then it's gonna be visible in the video and you can't do anything about it to fix it. Besides, this accessory is quite expensive, as it costs $99, so if you damage it, it's gonna be quite painful. Thankfully, GoPro provides a silicone case for storage, and you can use it as a lens cap to protect it when you don't use your camera. But because it's an action camera, sooner or later you're gonna scratch it, because the lens is so exposed. Is GoPro Max Lens Mod something for you? Well, it all depends what you're gonna use it for. If you want to record a vlog, something cinematic, or some sweet family moments, then I don't think that this accessory is going to be for you. Simply because you will not use the full potential of this accessory, unless you want to have some wider field of view. Honestly, I think that this accessory gonna be great for POV shots, whether you mount it on your body, on your gear, or you simply want to do some activity where that camera gonna spin like crazy. It's a great little accessory, I don't think it's for everyone. But what do you think about this accessory? Do you think it's something useful for you to have? Let me know about it in the comment section below. And for today guys, that's it. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, and see you guys in the next one.